Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to film me using my Modern Renaissance palette. I needed to put some makeup on today, and so I thought I would bring you guys along with me as I put on my makeup. And I've been going through my palette. Well, all my palettes pretty much are older. I have some newer ones, but basically all of my palettes are pretty much older palettes. But I haven't used this one in a while. So when I was doing my ranking of my eyeshadow palettes, I had mentally put a little note up in my head saying I need to use this palette. Here's what mine looks like. It's had some love. You can see some dips, some pan, some spots there. So anyway, today I've done all my makeup except my lips and my eyes. So let's get started. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm going into Tempera, that one right there, with my big fluffy brush and set my primer. I think I put primer on. Did I put primer on? I don't know. I don't think I did. Can you believe it? I don't think I put primer on. Well, let's see how my eyes do without primer on. I did not put the primer on. There we go. Not bad. I think I always do rosy looks. Oh, I don't know. Let's go. I'm just gonna go with what I'm drawn to. Bon Fresco, that one right there. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna put that in my transition area. Everything's working pretty good. I don't know how long my shadows will last without a primer, but that part doesn't really matter to me today. That's not a big deal today. There we go. Okay. Looks good. I'm going to take my Rephr number 12. It is clean, but it's stained. Going through my color switch. I am going to have to clean all of these brushes. I think I'm going to start with the Venetian Red, which is that one right there. I'm going to get a little bit of that on my brush and do just the very outer corner. I'm going to do some like layers here. Just the outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and clean out that brush. And then I'm going to go into Red Ochre, which is right beside it. And I'm going to put that right beside it. On the eye, they look almost the same color. You can't tell. I'm going to go into this Cypress Umber. Same brush. I'm going to work this in the crease. I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and blend as I go. go. I am going to get a smaller brush. I'll get a smaller brush. Make sure it's clean. I'm going into Primavera, which is this one right here. I'm going to get it on my brush, and I am going to put that on the rest of the eyelid. From the inner corner over and meet the darker shades there in the middle. There we go. I think that looks really pretty. I'm going to go in with the, I don't know. Let me see. Let's try a different one. I'm going to go in with this antiqued bronze on the same little brush. I just cleaned it out. I'm going under my lower lash line. And I want to kind of pull that out a bit. Blend it out a little more than I usually do. Now this is a shimmer. I think that looks pretty good. This is kind of giving me a little bit of a smoky eye look, which I haven't really done in a long time. Yeah, there we go. Like I said, I brought it down a little more than I normally would. I like how that looks. I'm going to clean out this brush again. I'm going to go into the mirror, which is this one right up here. It has more of a little pink undertone, and just do a little inner corner highlight with it. Just a little bit. Now I am going to clean this out, make sure it's all clean. More of a flat brush, and I am going to go into golden ochre, that one right there. We'll get that on my brush and blend it here up at my brow bone. Just like that. I do like that. Let me throw on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. I put my mascara on, got my lipstick on. I like how this is looking. My palette is still performing great. Working really good. I threw on some lipstick. It is Merit lipstick in the color Fashion. So yeah, I like how this turned out. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Let me know if you still are using your Modern Renaissance palette. I'd like to know. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.